Good morning from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife, from paradise. Hola, señorita. Let's wait for the start. Somebody knows El Niño. Buenos días, ¿cómo estamos?
Buenos días.
Vamos al Oro Parque.
Bye. Chao, El Niño.
We have a special chance to see the train from inside. Okay, very simple. Gracias. Vamos. Let's go to El Muelle to see special tradition Baño de las Cabras, goat bath. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Best greetings from Puerto and viva la música.